I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a stable server and the correct spawn. This reduces interference and makes the dummy reliable. Once in, equip a mobility fruit or speed accessory so you reach the training zone fast. Follow the map marker toward the training island or arena. When you arrive, keep to the main path. Structures near docks often hide training dummies. Make sure to move promptly. The sooner you arrive, the less crowded and more consistent the dummy behaves for your tests. Once done getting to the zone, focus on the traversal sequence. Climb ledges, use double jump or glide abilities, and skirt around PvP hotspots so you don't draw attention. Next, interact with any switches, doors, or NPC handlers. Those often toggle interior arenas or spawn the training dummy itself. Make sure to clear small mobs or politely ask players nearby to move. AI or player damage can reset the dummy. You want a static target to reliably measure damage, timing, and combos. You finish by running controlled tests. Use a basic combo first to record damage and cooldowns, then escalate to full rotations while watching hitstun and knockback. Reset or despawn the dummy between trials so values remain consistent. If the dummy is missing or unresponsive, check for server lag, arena locks, or insufficient permissions. These are common causes. As a last resort, relog or switch to a private lobby. That usually restores dummy function and lets you continue accurate testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.